Good morning, everyone. It's a rainy morning, and I'm feeling calm and peaceful right now. I'm waking up to the sound of soft raindrops touching the window. I'm just holding a warm cup of tea and watching the rain fall slowly on the green trees. The cool breeze is touching my face, and everything around me is looking so fresh and alive. I'm just enjoying this quiet moment, listening to the rhyme of rain and letting my thoughts flow slowly, freely. I'm not rushing anywhere, just living this little rainy morning, feeling thankful for it. So yeah, that's my little rainy morning. Let me know if you also love morning like this. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more cozy blog. See you soon. Thank you.